Alright guys, my friend Gigi wants to hire us as IT consultants to help a small business called Colourful Curries on possible IT improvements and help improve their business strategies.
So, do you have some business backgrounds on the outline, the documentation can send us?
I do. Gigi sent me that. It's got an outline of their history and their current situation, so I'll be sure to send it to the team.
Sure.
Okay. So do you guys have any general ideas of where we should start?
Oh, how about a cloud?
Oh,
It's a
good one.
Great idea.
Yeah.
Let's discuss it and see if it works.
Colourful Curries manufactures 25 different products in 3 different production lines, and they usually have a large ordering quantities. Thus, we outline some key features of the CC's current situation and address some main constraints as shown below. Well, our developer consultant and application analyst will discuss the cloud-based system for small and medium enterprise.
If it works.
I think our group should recommend the CC to use cloud-based computing system.
Yeah, can you be more specific?
I mean, the cloud we define cloud is the leasing of pooled computer resources over the internet. To be more specific, the computing resources such as processing, memory, and storage are not physically present at the user's location, and a service provider owns and manages these resources, and user access them via the internet.
Oh, okay, got it.
And there are 3 kinds of cloud: SaaS, PaaS, and IaaS.
Wait, I'm confused.
Okay, we can differ 3 categories by using example of eating pizza. Firstly, IaaS is like you buy ingredient from the supermarket and you go home and make the pizza by yourself.
Okay.
And then PaaS is like ordering Domino and eat at home, but you still need to use your table and maybe drink. And
Good example.
And SaaS is eating pizza at Domino, so basically you don't have to do anything except paying the cash.
Okay, so Colourful Curry can use SaaS since CC is a small company, that's what you mentioned.
Yeah.
And they can use also directly and most things for them without having to invest massively in software infrastructure.
Yeah, exactly.
Can you tell me more reason like using cloud?
Yeah, I mean, there are many advantages of using cloud. Firstly, you will reduce costs. The entry cost for small firms utilizing business analytics and need a lot of computing power has been lowered. And secondly, this is very easy for user to use. Small business employees often work outside the actual office location and hence having easy access to the data.
I agree, it's a big plus. Anything else?
Yes, I think using cloud can enhance the collaboration and sharing. Cloud file storage allows various SMB as stakeholders to share information and data via emails and web links and messages. However, there are also some disadvantages of using cloud. The main issue is the invisibility into the security. Malicious users may exploit weakness in the data and data security model to gain unauthorized access to data. And it is very difficult for company to prevent it since data is stored outside the enterprise. And secondly, the failure to knowing the data location. The customer does not know where the data is stored. That's also a big deal because in many cases, due to the compliance and data privacy laws in various countries, location of data is very important. Maybe because some data is not allowed to be out of the country.
Okay, I got it.
So according to the business context of CC, so I think that cloud is exactly what CC needs right now.
Yeah, totally.
Do we have any specific application for that?
Yeah.
We do, actually. For Colourful Curries, building upon the advantages and disadvantages of cloud, the opportunity for them to transition to a new cloud-based computing system will prove to be far more advantageous in terms of sales growth, company growth, and the competitive advantage it holds over the old way of business. Dell reports that companies that invest in cloud enjoy up to 53% faster revenue growth than their competitors, which is going to be huge for CC.
Yeah.
So the first one that I looked at is Salesforce and their cloud subproduct of Service Cloud Lightning.
Yeah, Salesforce is a really good one.
Yes,
It's really famous one.
SEO is the most complete customer service platform and allows for companies to increase agent productivity by putting all the customer information directly at the fingertips of the users. This is especially helpful for CC as they want to move to online sales to the direct public, while also keeping current and existing customer data to ensure a strong supplier-client relationship is maintained. Furthermore, SEO allows for asset and order management. This provides detailed tracking of customers' orders, assets, order history, and support history in one easy, convenient place.
Yeah, that's so convenient that we can easily track and to sum up everything in one place.
Exactly.
Yeah.
This feature further strengthens the idea that the relationship between supplier and client needs to be maintained, especially for CC, when they already have over 400 active customers that order products ranging from a few orders per year to every week with large orders.
Wow.
An uprising issue that has become apparent for CC, however, is a gradual decline and softening of sales. It hasn't become a massive issue, but it has become enough of an issue that CC has noticed that a possible change in IT could help solve this issue. With Salesforce and SLC, the case management software could help streamline the service process to make it easier for customers to automatically set up orders or getting customer activity updates and alerts when certain steps and actions have been made. It also further provides email templates for customers and suppliers to make communication easier between buyers and sellers. Finally, another feature is that SEO ensures all customer interaction is recorded in an easy-to-view chronological timeline. So every voicemail, email, update, or sale is recorded and viewable, ensuring that nothing is missed and all details are.
Yes, I do agree with Paz. Like every record has been served, and so we can easily to keep track, and also security purpose. You will not lose the contact and information if somebody leaves the company.
Yes.
Yeah, but you know what? The email templates actually, I have another kind of application we can do that. It's an Office 365 of the Microsoft. It has an email. You can use both on the PC and also the smartphone and smart devices like tablets and something. And also it can custom email domain address into the company name like RJ California Curries or order at californiacurries.com and something like that. And also Office 365 also have the other customer. It can also keep track on other via email with customer contact details like name, contact, what order, amount of money, and what task to deal with that customer. At the homepage, our customer tell you what is due today and what is not up next tomorrow, next week, and next month. So easy to keep track with your to-do list. Also, it also provides you the SharePoint service, inform and engage with internet communication sites and team sites. Instead of installing and deploying SharePoint server on premises, any business can subscribe to an Office 365 plan or to standalone SharePoint Online. And you can also store everything in one place with OneDrive. Yeah, and I think that everyone gets used to OneDrive, isn't it? And also the advanced e-discovery, with data stored in Exchange Online, SharePoint Online, and every Microsoft applications else. So every data is in one place. Home, export, analytics is so simple to do. And use such feature in the Office 365 Security and Compliance Center to perform an initial search for all the content sources. It's also a good idea. Yeah, and manage schedule and daily work staff with the application called Microsoft StackUp. Manage tasks in teamwork via Microsoft Planner. So in total, Microsoft 365 provides us a wide range of views from the other customers, and also to keep tracking on to-do list, and also divide the timetable, the roster for your.
Yeah. As you mentioned above, there are lots of benefits would be raised after migrating the cloud successfully. But before reaping the benefits of cloud technology, CC will first have to move there successfully. Some risk and challenge need to be considered, right? Time, cost, and security are the most common challenges for business migrating. Firstly, for the time. Time is one of the most common challenges for SE and
agree.
To do the cloud migrations. To illustrate, when it comes to cloud adoption, the people and process that must change and adapt accordingly, and it takes time to move in data or information to the cloud. Thus, it would have negative impacts on CC's productivity and limit the effectiveness of cloud adoption, right? And the second challenge, I think, is some loss may arise during the transition. So the CC needs to concern with some financial impact on the cloud adoption. Migrations can slow growth due to the skill gap. Business need to train staff during. And the develop cost required for application or website redesign. Right? Do you agree with that? Generally, as cloud storage can be accessed through public networks, security concerns are among the top obstacles for adopting the cloud. Like CC's main customer, manufacturer, hospital, and the airline catering company, and even the university, because they have numerous amounts of sensitive information, right? And the commit health insurance.
That is really important.
Right? Or medical care fraud, right? This will result that information widely spread, and CC needs to take some responsibility for giving the damages or remedies to their customer, and it's hard to cover it. Thus, if CC global customer data or information revealed by hackers, it will not only affect the financial situation of CC, but also negatively influence the CC goodwill and the customer relationship, right? Further, there is a challenging for CC switching the cloud providers. How to confirm that deletion process is complete. No backup in the old provider storage.
Hi, Gigi. Yeah, I'm good. How are you? How's the business? How's Colourful Curries going? That's good. That's good. Well, thanks for reaching out to us. We, discussed it as a team. We looked at all our options and what we should look at, and we decided upon, social media or the cloud. And after talking about the advantages and disadvantages, and, the risks and the applications for each side, we have decided to go with the cloud and using Salesforce as the specific application. Yeah, you happy with that? That's good. Okay, so well, as a team, we've written down all our ideas. We have the documentation. We'll send it right to you, so we can show you our proposal, and hopefully that you like it and you use it for Colourful Curries. Awesome. Okay, thank you. Bye bye.